10 mechanisms to fight your fears. The first method, take time out. It is impossible to think clearly when you are flooded with fear or anxiety. The first thing to do is take time out so you can physically calm down. Distract yourself from worry for 15 minutes by walking around the block, making a cup of tea or having a bath. 2. Breathe through panic. If you start to get a faster heartbeat or sweating palms, the best thing is not to fight it, not to combat it. Stay where you are and simply feel the panic without trying to distract yourself. Place the palm of your hand on your stomach and breathe slowly and deeply. The goal is to help the mind get used to coping with panic, which makes the fear of fear away. 3. Face your fears. Avoiding fears only makes them scarier. Whatever your fear, if you face it, it should start to fade. If you panic one day, getting into a lift, for example, it is best to get back into a lift the next day. 4. Imagine the worst. Try imagining the worst thing that can happen. Perhaps it is panicking, and having a heart attack. Then try to think yourself into having a heart attack. It is just not possible. The fear will run away the more you chase it. 5. Look at the evidence. It sometimes helps to challenge fearful thoughts. For example, if you are scared of getting trapped in a lift and suffocating, ask yourself if you have ever heard of this happening to someone. Ask yourself what you would say to a friend who had a similar fear. 6. Do not try to be perfect. Life is full of stresses. Yet many of us feel that our lives must be perfect. Bad days and setbacks will always happen. It is important to remember that life is messy. 7. Visualize a happy place. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine a place of safety and calm. It could be a picture of walking on a beautiful beach or snuggling up in a bed with a cat next to you, or a happy memory from childhood. Let the positive feeling soothe you until you feel more relaxed. 8. Talk about it. Sharing fears take away a lot of their scariness. You could also try a cognitive behavioral therapy approach over a telephone. If your fears are not going away, you can ask your general physician for help. General physicians can refer people for counseling, psychotherapy, or help through an online mental health service such as Living Life to the Full. 9. Go back to the basics. Lots of people turn to alcohol or drug to self-treat anxiety, but this will only make matters worse. Simple everyday things like a good night's sleep, a wholesome meal, a walk are often the best cures for anxiety. The last 3. Reward yourself. Finally, give yourself a treat when you have made that call you have been dreading. For example, reinforce your success for treating yourself to a mass, a country walk, a meal, a book, a DVD, whatever lifts gift makes you happy? I think you love this video. If so, subscribe, share, like and write your feelings in comments. Thank you for watching this video.